2019 BMW 5 Series more than stands its ground in a class of remarkably skilled entertainers. The premium moderate-size car scene is rich with style, innovation, driving capacities and extravagance arrangements. Where the 5 Series and its fundamental adversaries exceed expectations is in accomplishing a sweet spot of such huge numbers of very much adjusted components. There are special cases, similar to the extremely amazing BMW M5 superior variation, however, that has its own survey. The 5 Series has styling that is indisputably BMW. The motors are punchy yet smooth, and the driving elements convey adequate sensations for the lover while likewise giving long separate solace to all tenants. It would consume excessively room to list each other characteristic accessible in the 5 Series, so here are a few features. Propelled driver helps like forward crash relief with programmed braking, vulnerable side observing and path takeoff cautions are currently standard all through the range. Beforehand a $300 alternative, Apple CarPlay is accessible through a free year membership. Front and back stopping sensors are likewise standard, while alternatives rapscata shake-up. For instance, the LED mist lights have been expelled from the standard hardware list and are currently part of the M Sport bundle. The 530i has a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-chamber motor making 248 pull and 258 pounds-to-foot of torque, setting off to the back wheels through a 8-speed programmed transmission. All-wheel drive, BMW calls it Xdrive, is discretionary. The 2019 BMW 5 Series comes in 530i, 530ei Performance, 540i and M550i Xdrive shapes. Where it's discretionary, AWD is an additional $2,300.